He almost grabbed me. Mommy, he wants Billy Rose. See, kid of that. Mommy, the cat's so happy. Yes, for us, right? What she like the most? Every people. It likes every people. Teddy! Hey, don't touch the chair. You might jump on it. No, Luna! Come on. Mommy, yo, mua cho cái đó, mua cho baby cái à. It's so cute, right?